States of matter. Discover the arrangement and behavior of particles in different states of matter. Lesson outline. Examples of solids, liquids, and gas. Particle arrangement and behavior in each state, solids, liquids, and gas. Take a moment to think of your answers to the questions below. Pair, find a partner and take turns discussing your answers. Share, finally, volunteer and share what you discussed with the whole class. Can you stir a solid? Why or why not? Can you hold a gas? Why or why not? Today you'll be able to sort a range of everyday substances under 3 states: solid, liquid, or gas. Name the properties of each state. Create a connection between particle arrangement and substance properties. Solid, liquid, or gas. Sort the following substances under the 3 states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. States of matter and examples: solid, liquid, and gas. States of matter: solid. Particle arrangement and behavior: tightly packed, arranged in a specific pattern, vibrate in position. Properties: rigid, fixed shape, fixed volume, cannot be compressed, cannot flow. States of matter: liquid. Particle arrangement and behavior: close together but has no regular pattern. Have little free space between them. Slide and roll past one another. Properties: not rigid. No fixed shape. Fixed volume. Can be slightly compressed. Can flow. States of matter: liquid. Particle arrangement and behavior: widely spaced. Travel in straight lines until they bounce off another particle or a surface. Move around quickly. Properties: not rigid. No fixed shape. No fixed volume. Can be compressed. Can flow. Guess the state. Chris found a mystery substance with the following properties. It follows the shape of its container. It flows. It has a fixed volume. It can be slightly compressed. Chris found a liquid substance. A recap. Solid particles are tightly packed and arranged in a regular structure. They also vibrate in position. Examples: book and lunchbox. Liquid particles are not arranged in a regular pattern but have little space between them. They slide and roll past one another. Examples: water and juice. Gases particles are widely spaced and fill the space they are in. They move around quickly. Examples: wind and steam. Think about this. You might have observed your parent or carer heating water on a kettle. What do you think is happening to the particles in a liquid as it becomes hotter?